to be like a way for like business people to use like the engineering mindset to actually compress and understand what's going on in the real world by mapping out the context, what makes up like what I call here structural reality, meaning like things that go behind the surface and that like give us enough stability to understand the real world where we are like operating. And then from there, like abstraction, compression, mental modeling that help you out in analyzing the business world for the simple, sake of making decisions on a daily basis. And again, this has been driven on the one side by my own obsession about the industry. I've been an entrepreneur, digital entrepreneur, like for over a decade now. And I would say I had like a privileged seat on looking at the evolution of the AI landscape, just like coders years back already saw what it would be for coding. Because again, remember that even before ChatGPT, there was GitHub Copilot way before that made already clear that coding would be like in a sort of way, a mostly automated way, right?